Joe, Booty, let's cut the crap. You want to start a business, but your bank account's screaming LOL? I get it. I built my first biz selling used textbooks from my dorm floor. $0, zero connections, just pure hustle. Here's how you do it. Step 1. The fake it till you make it website. No cash for website. Use free tools like Card or Canva. Make it look pro in 20 minutes. My buddy Jake sold $10,000 of fitness plans using a Google site that looked like it was coded by a toddler. Trust me, nobody cares if it's perfect. They care if it works. Step 2. DM like you're sliding into DMs. Slide into DMs like it's Tinder for cash. Hit up local biz owners. Yo, saw your post. Need a hand with social media? My cousin landed her first client by DMing a pizza place. Your Instagram's colder than your freezer. Let's fix it. Free work? Nah. Trade for a testimonial or a cut of sales. Step 3. Barter like a medieval king. No money? Trade skills. I swap website design for free coffee for a year at a cafe. You're a graphic designer? Trade logos for office space. Photographer? Shoot headshots for legal advice. Everything's currency if you're creative. Step 4. Hijack free trials like a ninja. Adobe, Shopify, MailChimp, all have free trials. Use them. Grind hard for 30 days. My friend Maria started a t-shirt biz using a free Shopify trial, sold 50 units, then paid for the subscription. Outsmart the system. Step 5. Pre-sell your hustle. No product, no problem. Pre-sell it. Post a coming soon landing page. My neighbor sold a barbecue sauce that didn't exist yet. Use the cash to buy ingredients. If nobody buys, you dodge a flop. Win-win. Step 6. Crash networking events politely. Free startup mixers? Go. Snag free snacks and clients. Wear a shirt with your biz name. I met my first investor at a free co-working demo day. His exact words? I fund hustle, not PowerPoints. Step 7. Turn trash into cash. Dumpster dive, metaphorically. Resell stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Flip free Craigslist furniture. My ex-roommate bought broken bikes. Fixed them. Sold. Turn 0 into 5K in a summer. Be a scavenger. Real talk. You'll look dumb at first. My first office was a library corner. My first biz card was a sticky note. But guess what? Starting ugly beats waiting for perfect. Your first version will suck. Your 10th? That's where magic happens. You move. Pick one step. Today, DM someone. Set up that janky website. Trade a skill. Imperfect action. Endless planning. If this hit, smash subscribe. Every click tells YouTube, this guy's legit. And if you're feeling wild, the Patreon link below keeps the hustle alive. You're not just supporting me. You're funding a rebellion against 9 to 5 BS. Start now. Fail fast. Out hustle everyone. Catch you in the next one.